back to the next session of Answers tutorial. Today I am going to solve a numerical on tensile test of a material. I have already done this test using static structural analysis. Today I am going to use another module which is called as explicit dynamics. So let's get started. I'll first double click on explicit dynamics and rename it as tensile test. Since I am using the option of explicit dynamics, I will go to engineering data and select the material from explicit materials itself. So I'll go to explicit materials. I want to study the effect of load on stainless steel and I want to plot its stress versus strain diagram. As you have already seen in the previous video that the stress strain diagram was a straight line or linear line because the analysis was using static structural. Now since I'm using explicit dynamics, I am going to get a curve which is something expected from the theory. So at number 170 here you can see there is stainless steel. I'll bookmark the material. Now I'll go to project and update project. Next I'll go to geometry, right click, new design modeler geometry, units, millimeter, XY, look at. I will be drawing the same sketch which I have drawn previously. So I'll make a rectangle, give it dimensions, say h1 is 40 and b2 is 30. I'll go to extrude, select I'm going to select the sketch which was auto selected by the way. I'll go to depth, I'll choose 500 like I have done previously, generate. So this is my very simple geometry. Next I'll go to model and double click on it. I'll go to geometry, solid, I'll change the material to stainless steel. I'll go to mesh. The relevant center is showing the mesh as median. I'll just update it. Next I'll go to analysis settings. I'll choose the end time as 0.001. Now I'll give some boundary conditions. Say one end is fixed and the other end I'll insert some displacement. Say I give the displacement as 25 mm. So I'll just choose the unit to mm because it's showing meter. So 25 mm. I'll go to solution and solve. I'll go to solution, right click, insert, deformation, directional. I'll change the direction to Z axis. Right click, insert, stress equivalent von Mises. Right click, insert, strain equivalent plastic. I'll go to solution, solve. I can see my directional deformation here. I can animate and see it. If I want, I can click on max min to see the maximum and minimum value. If not required, I can just see the values from here, and by using the option of probe I can get the value at any point. Next, this is the equivalent stress, and this is the equivalent plastic strain on the body. Now I'll go to chart. I'll select the strain and the stress both by pressing the control button. On the x-axis I want to see the plastic strain max. I'll go to the x-axis, I want strain. Y-axis I'll write as stress. Next I'll go to input quantities, time not required, equivalent stress minimum not required, and plastic strain minimum not required. So this is the graph that I obtained for the stress versus strain diagram for a material which is subjected to a tensile load. Previously, when I had solved the same problem in static structural, I obtained the graph only till here. Only the linear part of the graph was obtained. So for obtaining the entire graph of stress versus strain, the option of explicit dynamics has to be used. I hope you have understood the numerical. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. If you want me to solve any numerical, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for latest updates of my videos. I'll see you in the next session with another numerical on Answers Workbench. Thank you.